on this. Okay, diffusion and osmosis. We talk about the cell membrane. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. Yeah, permeable meaning pass through. And then cell membrane is a gatekeeper that determines what can and cannot enter the cell. Here, the gatekeeper, the cell membrane, who comes in for the party. Small molecules like water, carbon dioxide, or oxygen can easily pass through the pores of the membrane. Who gets bounced? Large molecules like glucose, charged molecules like salts. Now we move on to the molecule movement. Recall cells are small because they need to obtain sufficient nutrients and dispose of their wastes. This is done by the cell membrane by three means: diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Senior science.
Oh, sir, itu active transport maksudnya, sir.
Yeah, active transport. This is the three cell membranes meaning. Okay, definitionnya: solution, a homogeneous liquid mixture of two or more substances, and the
Sir,
solvent.
explain dong, sir. Yang solvent sama solut, sir. Sama solution.
Solvent and solution.
Sama solut.
So,
Solution, solvent, sama solut, sir.
the solution meaning homogeneous, same. Yeah, mixture of two or more substances, but same, homogeneous. Similar or same. The solvent is versatile, meaning different. And a solute meaning substances that is dissolved in a solution.
Kalau solvent itu kayak apa, sir? Berarti, sir, example, sir.
Solvent yang berbeda-beda misalnya maybe di sini ada contohnya deh. Maybe like kayak air and then H2O kan, air and then water H2O and then carbon dioxide itu masih ada O-nya. Apa ya yang Ne, nickel, ya, and
Yes, sir. I
then
get it, sir. Get it.
Hah?
I get it, sir.
Get it, okay. Kalau solution berarti yang ada misalnya H2O, CO itu masih ada oksigennya kan, right? Okay, diffusion, the process by which molecules tend to move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Concentration is amount of substance in a given volume. Okay, here the example high to low, perfume and food dye. Warna makanan dan parfum. By diffusion, kinetic molecular theory. Collisions occur between molecules, which causes the molecules to move away from one another. Diffusion and the cell. We learn about the nutrients, low concentration in the cells, high concentration outside of the cell. Now, wastes. High concentration in the cell, low outside of the cell. What direction will the wastes move? From inside the cell to the outside of the cell. High to low concentration. Okay, this is a special case of diffusion, osmosis. Water moves through the pores of the cell membrane like other molecules. Nah, here, the meaningnya. The movement of water from a high concentration to a low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, meaning the osmosis movement of water, the solvent, diffusion movement of the solutes, dissolved materials. Okay, who here has taken penicillin to combat sickness? Penicillin is antibody drugs. Penicillin weakens bacterial cell walls. Water is at higher concentration outside the cell. Which way will water move? With a weak cell wall, the bacterial cell swells. Okay, above osmosis and diffusion involve the movement of molecules from an area of high concentrations to an area of low concentrations. And then here, water balance. The environment around the cell determines the direction of water movement. For example, a cell is placed in a saltwater tide pool, and then the sun evaporates some water. It makes the concentration of water inside the cell is higher than the outside. It's called water balance. Okay, on the contrary, imagine it rains. The higher concentration of water outside the cell is the result. What happens? Water moves into the cell and then possible swelling of the cell. Here, yeah, plant vacuoles. The function is to store water even when the environment is dry and the cell wall is rigid to prevent bursting or shriveling. Animals can increase or decrease their amount of water intake and outtake. Okay, here the hypertonic solution, 3 volt. Yeah, isotonic solution, normal, and the hypotonic solution, lysed. Yeah, meaning hypertonic make it smaller, isotonic still normal, and hypotonic make it bigger. Here the animal cell and plant cell. Here we have plasmolysis, yeah, cell shrink and die. Here is the difference between animal cell, plant cell, and no net gain or loss of water. Okay, and then here, the cytolysis, and then builds up trigger pressure. Yeah, cell becomes stiff, keeping plant upright. What will happen to a cell placed in poor water? Will be 90% water and 10% solute. Okay, here the human red blood before and after. Okay, so far any questions until here?
No, sir.
No, we continue. Cells are about 90% water. What will happen to a cell placed in a 20% salt solution? Okay, here is the human red blood before and after. Before normal and then after 3 volt, meaning smaller, yeah. Okay, that's all for today. And then we continue to the quizzes. I will end the recording.